Furniture for Humans and Birds is a collection of furniture pieces that my partner Alessandra and I did during the quarantine. We were sharing more time and space with our parrot, who's called Coco. And during that period, we designed and built for us and him sort of hybrid objects, which are between chairs and benches and perches. The materials we used were very humble. There was no oak or ash available. We couldn't start working from the boards and plane them and make a kind of high-end handmade furniture at the time. So as Studio Ossidiana, Alessandra and I are really interested in these objects that mediate relations and encounters between species. We think they are almost a form of language with which we communicate and exchange with other animals, with other kinds of intelligence. So on that level, the project is a more kind of domestic and personal continuation of the research that we've been carrying through some academic projects and research projects and exhibitions and some commissions. But this was definitely the most sort of personal outcome to it.
With ochre, gelatin and glycerin and water, I have developed a contemporary material called ochreagella, which is sustainable and biodegradable. With ochreagella, I made my first edition of the furniture series called Anima. Anima means the rational soul and life or intelligence signifies the breath, so it is inspired by the intuitive, the life form of nature. With these furnitures, I want to questioning about the standardized mass product of today, and because it is made in one-of-a-kind way from carving the wood and to the upholstering with my material ochreagella. By changing the temperatures and ratio or the way of pouring, I can make different textures and thickness and flexibility and color. So that point of showing diverse variety with only 4 natural ingredients are the most innovative part of this material. And also ochreagella is a bit flexible and it reacts with the shape of the structure. So it is interesting point because it makes the silhouette together with the structure and with my material.
Look at Me is een spiegel, een langwerpige spiegel die neerklapbaar is. Het is eigenlijk een kaptafeltje. Het is gebaseerd, eigenlijk geïnspireerd op de bewegingen van Bauhaus en de Art Deco. Het innovatief is eigenlijk dat je het meubel kan op verschillende manieren gebruiken. Je kan het dus gewoon rechtop zetten, je kan het neerklappen. En het is een object het is eigenlijk bijna een sculptuur, dat je eigenlijk overal kan plaatsen. Het hoeft niet meer in de badkamer of in de dressing of in de hang. Je kan het plaatsen wat je wilt eigenlijk. In het ontwerp, wat ik meest trots op ben in het ontwerp, is eigenlijk het feit, ik heb dat gewoon ontworpen, zonder een echte opdrachtgever. Die vormen zijn er zo gekomen. En als je dan dat aan mensen toont en ze zeggen, oh, dat is wel mooi, dat is wel uniek, het is wel, ja, dan is het goed. Hè. Dan ben je blij.